Welcome to Best Buy Report. The best Milwaukee 1/2-inch impact is probably one of the most essential tools for any automotive or construction professional. With its impressive 1400 ft-lbs of torque, it effortlessly tackles stubborn bolts and nuts. This impact wrench simplifies tasks, saving you time and effort on the job. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a DIY enthusiast, this tool is designed to make your work easier and more efficient. Number 5. Milwaukee 2767-20M18 Fuel Impact Wrench. This is the Milwaukee 2767-20M18 Fuel Impact Wrench. It delivers incredible power and performance. You'll be impressed with its ability to handle tough jobs. Featuring high torque, this impact wrench is designed for demanding applications. It provides the power you need to get the job done efficiently. This tool will be your new best friend. The friction ring ensures secure socket retention. This feature allows for quick and easy socket changes. It provides a reliable hold, so you can work with confidence. Powered by M18 fuel technology, this wrench offers superior performance. It combines a PowerState brushless motor, red lithium battery pack and RedLink Plus intelligence. The result is unmatched power, runtime, and durability. Built with Milwaukee's renowned quality, this impact wrench is made to last. It's a durable and reliable tool that you can depend on. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This impact wrench delivers high torque, perfect for those tough jobs. The friction ring makes socket changes quick and easy. If you're a professional mechanic or a serious DIYer who needs raw power and efficiency, this is the one for you. What people say. This impact wrench is a beast and has plenty of power. It has the power to remove lug nuts with ease. The Milwaukee 1/2 impact wrench is a game changer. Number 4. Milwaukee 2767-22 Fuel 1/2 Impact Wrench Kit. This is the Milwaukee 2767-22 Fuel Impact Wrench Kit. It comes with the impact wrench, 2 battery packs, and a charger. This kit has everything you need to get the job done. This impact wrench is ideal for those tough jobs. It's perfect for use on stubborn and rusted bolts. You'll be able to remove them with ease. The compact design of this tool makes it easy to use in tight spaces. It's small enough to maneuver, but powerful enough to get the job done. It will be your best choice. The rubber grip provides comfort during use. You can work for longer periods without fatigue. It allows you to maintain control. This kit includes everything you need to get started. With the included batteries and charger, you'll be ready to go right out of the box. It's a great value. What we like. This kit comes with everything you need, the impact wrench, batteries, and a charger. Its compact design allows you to work in tight spaces, and the rubber grip ensures comfort. If you are looking for a complete package for automotive work or construction, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Breaks the torque of whatever nut or bolt you want. This gun is very easy to regulate, and even does it automatically in mode 4. You've got 4 modes. 1 to 3 are your regular slow med fast. Mode 4 is bolt removal mode. In this mode it will automatically slow down once the bolt is loose so you don't kill yourself. Rated at 1400 ft-lbs, this easily handles anything under 700 ft-lbs and with a little more impacting will get up to its rated torque. Number 3. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 1/2 and 3/8 Impact Wrench Kit. This Milwaukee kit delivers incredible power. The 1/2 impact wrench provides up to 1000 ft-lbs of fastening torque, and 1400 ft-lbs of nut-busting torque. The 3/8 impact wrench offers 600 ft-lbs of nut-busting torque. These impact wrenches are compact, making them easy to maneuver in tight spaces. They are also powerful, offering performance that rivals larger tools. It's the most compact high-torque impact wrenches in the industry. Built to last, the 3/8 anvil has over 60% longer life than other cordless competitors. This means the tool can withstand heavy use and last for years. You can rely on it for tough jobs. Featuring RedLink Plus intelligence, this kit protects itself from damage. This system prevents overloading and overheating, ensuring a longer lifespan for the tools. It's designed to keep you working. The kit includes everything you need to get started. You'll receive 2 impact wrenches, 2 M18 5.0 XC batteries, an M18 M12 multivoltage charger, and a tool bag. It's a complete solution for your needs. What we like. This kit offers unmatched power with both 1, 2 and 3/8 impact wrenches. It's also compact, making it easy to handle. The complete kit includes batteries, a charger, and a tool bag. If you need versatility and power for various tasks, this kit is a great option. What people say. He says the torque is on point, it's easy to use and adjust, and functions as advertised. They're durable too. I've had my fair share of drops and kicks, not simultaneously, but I'm sure it would take that on the chin too. This impact will do the job with no problem. Number 2. Milwaukee 2767-21 impact wrench combo. This Milwaukee impact wrench is designed for maximum productivity. It removes stubborn fasteners up to twice as fast as the competition. It is a great tool to have. At only 8.39 inches in length, this is the most compact high-torque impact wrench in its class. Despite its size, it delivers incredible power. You can easily take it to anywhere. The industry-leading 4-mode drive control gives you ultimate control. It includes a bolt removal mode for those tough jobs. It makes your work easier. The bolt removal mode provides maximum torque to break fasteners free. Then, it slows to 750 RPM for more control. This feature is very helpful. This impact wrench delivers fade-free power in extreme job site conditions. You can rely on it in any weather. It is a very durable tool. What we like. This impact wrench removes bolts up to 2x faster than the competition. Its compact size makes it easy to maneuver. The 4-mode drive control gives you ultimate control. If you're looking for speed and precision, this is the tool for you. What people say. Works great, it will remove or break any bolt. Awesome impact tool. It's been put to the test and keeps working. Great tool for portability. Very powerful and does the job. Number 1. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 1-2 Impact Wrench Chrome. Introducing the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 1-2 High Torque Impact Wrench. This powerful tool is designed for demanding applications. It delivers exceptional performance and durability. This product comes with a 5-year warranty on materials and workmanship. You can rely on it for long-lasting performance and peace of mind. It's built to last. This impact wrench meets the requirements of our customers. It's a tool that professionals trust. You can be confident in its quality and reliability. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Impact Wrench is manufactured in China. It's built to meet high-quality standards. The manufacturing process ensures its reliability. This impact wrench is designed for vehicle-specific applications. It's the perfect tool for automotive work. It ensures a precise and secure fit. What we like. This product comes with a 5-year warranty, ensuring peace of mind. It also meets customer requirements. If you value reliability and customer satisfaction, you should consider this. What people say. The high torque impact is extremely powerful and way stronger than my air-powered Ingersoll Rand. Impact driver is stronger than Hilti. The impact takes wheel nuts off my dump truck and the grease gun can push grease though a half-seized grease fitting no problem. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.